Hi everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how to make this honeycomb fold card. It's a really sweet little style. This one folds down into a 6x6 size, but I've just got some accent glaze drying still on there, so I don't want to fold it down just yet. This one's a really cute little spring card, so I've done a little bit of colouring using one of the Daisy Mae sets. So let's get into the tutorial and I can show you everything. So this is the Fancy Fold honeycomb card die set. So you get 16 dies. You get these little mats and layers for your sentiments and the hello die there, and then all of these mats and layers. You've got a mix of stitched and plain, and then you've got the main die there as well. This one, when you cut it, will go through a standard die machine, but you may benefit from having an extender plate. Then you just have to pass it through once. But if you've just got your normal short plates, I always just tack the die in place, pass it through, and then shift it along the plates and pass it through again. So I've cut this one with 300 GSM cardstock. I'll just take out the dies so you can see them. And then I've just gone over the lines that the die makes just in my scoreboard, just to make them a bit deeper, and it just means you've got less chance of there being any cracking. With this one here, so you want to create a valley fold. So I'm just going to fold it that way first, and then I can fold it back that way. So you've got a valley, then a mountain. And you'll see how that sits now behind like this, and then again mountain, and then finish with that valley. But I'm going to fold it into a mountain first just to break down the fibers, and then go back that way. So that will all fold down, and this one will fit into a 6x6 envelope. Then, like I said, you've got all your mats and layers here. So you've got your plain mats and layers there for these sides. You've then got the same but with the stitch detail there. So just decide what ones you want to use. So what I've done is I've used the stitched for the mirrored card. So that's going to go there, there. And then I use the plain for the pattern. And then again for these side pieces, I use they're going to go there. If I just open that up a little bit, there we go. I've already stuck some of them down. So I've used the stitched larger one in the silver, and then again you've got the small stitch there, and then I use the plain for the smaller, and then I use stitched for the large panel in the middle, and then I cut this one in the white with the plain. Like I said, there's all those smaller dies with the hello there, but I'm not using the hello, but I have used it for my sentiments. So just for you, I've stamped there. So the papers are new as well. So these are the pastel gingham and tiny polka dots. 190 GSM, you get 24 sheets, 8x8. And then the stamp set I've used is this cute one here called the Egg Hunt by Daisy Mae Design. So I've cut the little chicks here, and I've just coloured them in to match the papers. And then I've just stamped just half of the basket there. And the idea is I'm going to have, I think, one there, and then this one carrying one of the eggs from the basket, and he can overhang a little bit there. But I wanted to wrap a little bit of this first just around the middle, maybe make a little bow. There we go, just a little bit of detail. Now I can stick that one down on there, and then I'm going to have him popped up on some foam. I'm going to stick all these down and stick them up on some foam as well. Okay, so that's everything stuck down. I think it's a really sweet card. And then I'm going to finish it off with some accent glaze. So I'm just going to add it on just on the bow here, and then on the blue stripes of the egg, just on little parts of each of the image. I might do it on all of the dots here. And when this dries, it just catches the light and just adds a little extra to the card. Let's do the eyes as well. And just give it a little tap, just to level it all out. There we go. How cute is that? So just a quick tutorial today showing you how to put together the honeycomb die set. I think it's really sweet, nice little fun fold there. Like I said, that will all fold down and fit into a 6x6 envelope. Just cut some other mats and layers for the back, so you've got your place there to write your message. And these kind of styles, you know, they work for all occasions, but I think this is a nice little spring card to send to someone. So thank you as always for watching today. All of the product that I've used will be linked in the description box below. I've put a playlist together up here of all of the Creative Craft products card dies, so they will make all of the shaped cards for you, because I have shared quite a few of them now and I know lots of you do have them, so I've put them all into a playlist so it's easier for you to all find. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care. Bye.